These AI dark mystery videos are getting millions of views. Their dark, mysterious style grabs attention, and that engagement helps creators earn thousands from TikTok monetization. But here's the best part. So far, almost nobody has adapted this format for YouTube Shorts, which means the niche is still wide open, and that gives you a huge opportunity. You can start posting these 100% AI-generated videos on YouTube Shorts, grow fast, and earn from monetization. Now let's take a closer look at one of these videos.
The creepiest man in history never showered and couldn't even read, but somehow ended up controlling all of Russia.
Here are 3 things that make videos like this work so well. It's dark and mysterious. Our brains love stories that keep us curious until the reveal, especially creepy ones. It looks expensive, like a full animated film, even though it was made with AI in just a few hours. And the AI voiceover, combined with tense background sounds and fast dynamic editing, makes the video addictive. That's the formula that makes these videos go viral, and you can literally do the same using only AI tools. In this video, I'll show you how to do it in 4 simple steps that even beginners can follow. How to write a script that keeps people watching, how to create a unique style that doesn't look like AI, the secret behind that dark, mysterious narration, how to put everything together so viewers stay hooked. So, let's get started with the script. First, we'll generate a list of video ideas. Pick one and turn it into a script. I'll be using ChatGPT, but you can use any AI you prefer. Send this prompt to generate a list of topics. Remember, the topics should be dark and have a strong hook that makes people want to watch until the end. For example, I like this idea about the city of Norilsk, built on the bones of prisoners. Once you've chosen your topic, use the next prompt to generate the full script. Just insert your topic into the Your Topic field. After that, you'll get a script designed to create strong curiosity in the first 10 seconds and slowly lead the viewer to a reveal. For example, here's the intro I got. Built on the bones of countless prisoners, this Soviet city still powers the world's economy. This line creates tension and makes the viewer ask, how's that possible? And the video gradually reveals the answer. Now let's break down how to create these animations. The process is simple. First, you generate a static image with one prompt, then animate it with another. For images, we'll use Midjourney. It's the only model I recommend if you want a style that doesn't look like typical AI. Before we start, we need to generate prompts for both the images and the animations based on our script. Use this master prompt and replace your script with your own text. After sending it, you'll get a set of prompts that we'll use in the next steps. Now go to the Midjourney website and open the Create tab. Paste the first prompt. It also includes a detailed style description. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and click Generate. You can create a few variations by slightly changing the style or scene. Once you find an image you like, go to the Mood Boards tab, click New Mood Board, and add that image. This helps keep a consistent style across all your visuals. Then go back to the Create tab. In the top corner, click P, and select your mood board. Now the same style will be applied to your future generations. Take the next prompt, generate an image, and if it fits, add it to the mood board as well. This way you build a consistent look for the entire video. Repeat this for all scenes and like the ones you want to keep. Once all images are ready, move on to animation. Right-click on an image, select Animate, and paste your motion prompt. In the settings, I recommend setting batch size to 2 so you get 2 versions to choose from. Here's the animation I got for my first scene. Repeat this for all images and your animation part is done. Next, let's create the voiceover by turning your script into a human-like voice. I'll be using ElevenLabs, but you can use any text-to-voice tool you prefer. First, choose a voice. You can pick one from the Voices tab or create your own. I'll go with this one. The key is that it sounds dark and not too fast. Go to the Studio tab, click New Blank Project, and select Audio Project. Now start adding your script in parts. I recommend this approach because it makes it easier to control the pacing and tone. Make sure your voice is selected, then click Generate. If something sounds off, for example, the voice is too fast or some words are pronounced incorrectly, use Regenerate and adjust the voice settings slightly. Once the full voiceover is ready, click Export, then hit Download. Now it's time to put everything together and polish the video. I'll be using CapCut because it's fast and easy to use. Create a new project and import all the files we've made. Start by adding the voiceover to the audio track, then add the video so it matches the text it was generated for. On the most intriguing moments, add text on a black background. This makes the video more engaging. For example, I'll do this on the second frame of the intro to grab attention. On the first frame, you can add the effect like rock vertically to make the video start dynamically. Next, let's add subtitles, which are very important for retention. I'm using the Shelton OT font. It's free, or you can choose any font you like. Click Captions, then Generate to create subtitles for the whole video. At the beginning, you can manually adjust the text to make it look nicer, then align it with the voiceover and make it slightly bigger on black screens. The final step is adding sound effects and music to make the video feel alive. I get effects and music from ElevenLabs. First, search for impact sounds for key moments, like I did here. Then pick background music that fits the video. Place impact sounds at the start, before black screens, and if needed, in the middle of the video. Add background music throughout the entire video. To make the audio smooth, use fade in and fade out like I do. When everything is ready, click Export and your video is ready to publish. Was it actually that hard? I don't think so. Now you can use this tutorial to start your own channel and post YouTube shorts that will get views. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And here's the full video I created.
Built on the bones of countless prisoners in the heart of the permafrost, this Soviet city still powers the world's economy. It's 1935. The Soviets decide to send their prisoners to hell. Thousands arrive in the icy wasteland. They start with absolutely nothing, and the city grows from the frost. They carve mine shafts with pickaxes from dawn to night. But why do they suffer here? A huge treasure sleeps below. The ice hides endless coal, copper, and nickel. Today the reality is even worse. This place steel feeds the whole world, but the city itself dies. The deep permafrost melts away fast. Nature here is totally broken. Huge buildings sink into the mud. Thick poison chokes the cold air. This cursed city of ice is Norilsk.